Hi friends, welcome to Market Analysis channel. On this chart, I'll be giving an update on RLC. RLC has been trying to gain its ground and find some strength since the beginning of the year, but it hasn't been moving very much. But recently, it had a huge spike, both volume and a price spike, and that is telling us that institutional traders are considering RLC. Let me go into the analysis in detail. At point 1, around mid-March, RLC hit the 200-day moving average, and from there it's reversed to the upside. It rises very rapidly and it hits an high of 2.278 before it finally starts dropping. It dropped to a support zone, and the price that it dropped to was 1.460. Then the price keeps ranging, the volume was less. Why RLC was dropping from the after the initial down bar with huge volume, the volume subdue, the volume keep reducing and it stays around the average volume. Lots were below the average volume. That tells us that RLC is in sideways market, not moving much, and the volumes keeps drying up for extended period of time. But all of a sudden, the prior bar has a very huge volume, almost 10 million, and the price gained 17%. It rises to as high as 1.906. That tells us something. It called our attention to RLC. It's telling us that there is an interest from some traders and investors who put on their position on RLC. So with that, we can add RLC to our watch list and see if it will follow through on its price movement. Let me put in a trend line and see if RLC break a particular trend line or if it doesn't. I'm going to put a downward trend line from point 1. I'll connect it to the low. Okay, I'll connect it to the low of the support zone. Then I'll connect an upper trend line too. I'll pick it from the top. Okay, yeah, from the top. And I'll connect it to the As we can see, RLC broke the upper trend line with the huge price bar. That is an indication that an interest is coming into RLC. Our focus now is this. If the price could stay above the blue bar, the upper trend line, we expect it to find support on it, and from there RLC should continue heading up. If the price rise and the price closes above 1.93943, then RLC will be heading towards its last high, which is 2.278, and from there, if it finally breaks through the 2.278, a good uptrend might resume. But as of now that it has break above the upper trend line, we expect it to follow through. Presently is retesting the line. As it is retesting, we'll still have to wait for it and see where the bar will close at the end of the section. Add RSC to your watch list. It's picking up an interest and we can start tracking it. If this analysis really help you, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, drop it in the video comment section.